Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can clean your Dream D10 Plus vacuum. So in the first step we have to find the cleaning tool. You can find it by opening the app cover, and as you can see they have the cleaning tool. To remove it, just lift it up on the right upper side of this appliance, and there you have the brush. With this brush you can clean the filter in this place and the other holes from the container, but you have to also clean the things on the back of your appliance. And if you want to clean the brush, remove the cover and try to clean the brushes with this cleaning tool. You can also try to clean the sensors and the charging ports. Then close the cover, and remember, if you have any problem with the mapping of your room, try to clean the red sensor on the app with the dry mop or with the brush. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.